We explore the roads off the beaten path. Others stare wide-eyed at our resolves. Roads that are rough and full of tire-piercing stones, crawling along at 30 kilometers an hour. We go out to seek the adventure, the remote wilderness. Sometimes we curse ourselves and ask us why we go where we go. But as soon as we hit the pavement again, the first sign of civilization, we want to do it all again. Back to nature, the wild, the unknown. This channel is meant to inspire you to travel, to go out and explore, to challenge yourself to visit new places, break out of your bubble, and live.